This is our day 2 outfit for Mekong River and day 2 outfit. Then this is the house. Giving like this. Ganyan siya.
Hello guys.
Okay. We are now looking for coffee and banh mi for breakfast. Kasi 8 a.m. pa daw ang aming tour. Want to meet Jenny? Guys, first banh mi of the trip. Dito kami sa isang local. Ay, may pansit pala yun. Let's try this. Ano ba ito?
Yeah, reaction.
Ano nga to? Let's try the Vietnamese milk coffee. Let's taste as tamis. Next guys, first banh mi of the year. Yung kagat, tinapay agad. Sarap ng tinapay nila.
Bé này nè, mẹ bạn.
Now we are going to Mekong River on the way na kami guys.
Biggest city in the Mekong Delta. The one got the floating market. Cần Thơ, everyone, Cần Thơ.
We're here guys. Dito na kami sa may marina area. That's our tour guide, Ryan.
And Mekong City belong to Dong Tam Province. Everyone, Dong Tam Province. We start from here. We got on this motorboat, and the boat captain will take it to Vĩnh Long Province. The first stop is the coconut workshop.
Hindi maganda yung tubig. Huwag kayong mag-expect. It's giving Pasig River. Pati amoy Pasig River din. Layo na nilakbay namin. Dito lang pala kami sa Pasig ulit. Ay.
O-N-G, long. Q, long river. Okay, so Q is mean number 9. Yeah, this is the river of the 9 dragon, ladies and gentlemen. Because
We are now on the Coconut Island. Pero parang nasa Cagbalugo lang kami guys. Balik Quezon.
now the local people here will show you how to make coconut candy if you want. So first, he picked an old coconut and he used the triangle knife right here to peel it, to remove the shell of the coconut. So you can see right here, even the shell right here, we still reuse them. We can make a fire, we can make activated carbon, we can make charcoal, we can use everything if we want. You see? Professional, right? So we use that machine right here to get a coconut powder. And from coconut powder, we will use them to make coconut milk, everyone. Coconut milk is a separate because they cook different flavor. Bandan. Okay, we got 3 cups here. Do you want to come here?
First three. Ay, sorry.
Si AR, 1980.
This one is easier.
Yung una.
1995. Kwento ka talaga, AR!
May pistahan. May pistahan talaga eh.
Butulera. We're now here sa Mekong Delta. Sayang kasi low tide siya ngayon. So, di ganun kataas yung water. Sayang naman, di namin siya nakita ng high tide na mas malalim. Pero okay lang. River pa din naman. Pero hindi ganun nga ka ganda ang tubig. It's not giving aesthetic, guys. For your information. Guys, tumigil yung ano namin, yung boat namin. Ganito yung napapanood ka sa movie eh. Tapos biglang masisiraan na sila. Then may crocodile. Pa-black water na kami dito. Ayan si Kuya. Talagang tinatanggal niya, may bumara ata sa engine. Oops! Ang lalaki ng ano nila dito. Anong tree ba ito?
Kaya mo na yan. Tira mo na. Dito yan, oh. Dito yan, oh. Yan.
Hi! Ayan. Kasama namin mga kababayan, guys. Guys, pinalipat kami sa kabilang birthday party. Ang lungkot.
Masaya na sana doon.
Masaya na namin sa mga ka-friendship eh. Dito na kami sa mga ibang dimension na tao. Nangulila eh. No? Okay, anyway. We're gonna have lunch.
Sige, ito yung friend.
We are done with lunch. Meron silang area dito na entertainment area, ang tawag nila. Kasi we still have 30 minutes to spare bago kami umalis.
Mahal yan, tourist eh.
Oo. Feeling ko ginagawa pa rin to eh. So may pag ganyan-ganyan sila. O, lambitin mo na tayo.
Pwede na kayo umakyat? Ha? Parang wala umakyat eh. Ayun no, duyan.
Tapos na ba? Tapos na ba yan?
Pag nagkamali, laglag.
Tsaka tumalon pala eh. Na-excite. Na-excite ka nun. Nagbilang tumalon.
Gulay yung kinakain.
Oh, at least healthy vegetarian. We're riding the tuk-tuk. Bin Pangasinan.
Tamahin mataw.
Go!
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the end of the tour yet. We still have too many activities in front. Okay, so now we go to the Unicorn Islands. First, we visit the beekeeper house and the local people like to try some honey tea. Okay. After honey tea, we get on a go kart, take us around the village, and then we stop at the local house. We enjoy the performance, traditional music. Now local people they mix the honey tea for you.
Thank you. Okay, we just finished.
Honey tasting.
Ano ba yung tawag doon? Basta nag-honey tea kami. Tasting. Nakasakay kami ngayon sa golf cart na ang bilis! Dito kami sa likod. Tapos, we are gonna go sa local houses daw. Local houses, mag-watch ng performance. Kung ano mga sayaw nila. Sasabihin ni Ate Nikki.
Native performance.
Yes.
In the Mekong River. Okay. After this, we come back to the marina. Okay. So now we tried some tropical fruit and we enjoy the performance. That's traditional music in the Mekong Delta. Okay. So follow me this way.
Yun ang kumquat.
Dapat tayo ng window.
Okay na.
Bibili daw tayo. We are now trying their tropical fruits na meron din naman sa Pilipinas.
Langka.
Pero titikman pa rin natin.
Sweet.
Try the mango na may salt. Hinog.
Ano?
Sobrang hinog. Sana po.
Nice, good?
Right.
Yeah.
You like it? Next, papaya. Yung talaga ng papaya, guys. Oh,
Sarap.
langka. Next, last is watermelon. Pakwan.
Coconut juice. Okay. So after coming back to the bowl, we go back to the marina. And please.
Thiếu dễ cách đòi
We are now here sa Buddha Temple.
Nasa Jesus.
Ayan daw si umuupong Buddha. Buddha of the present. Asan yung standing?
Pala sila ng ano, pati ng Thailand, no?
Ito ba si standing Buddha? Ayan ata si standing Buddha. Buddha of the past.
Jesus nasan?
Jesus nasa puso natin. Ayan pa, si Sleeping Buddha. Sleep well siya dyan. Hindi ko na alam kung anong Buddha siya. Kung present, past, or future.
Ano daw, 310?
Oo.
Ay, 3-4 na.
Uikot lang talaga. Guys, this is their palengke. Guys, this is their palengke. Nakaabot na kami sa palengke, Paquiapo. Cute ng aso. Tuyo. Oh, 'di ba? Saan nga to yung sa ano, yung bago umakyat pa ano, pa Legarda?
Sa ano?
Di ba may market sa ilalim dun? Good evening, guys.
Pakita mo sa kanya yung
We are now here in Pizza 4-piece. Atong order sila kayo.
Chicken.
Chicken. This is the Saigon Center branch. So, pupunta kayo dito. Nasa 6th floor pa siya. So, 6th floor ng Saigon Center Mall. Tapos, ito lang yung restaurant dito kasi nga, ang laki ng branch nila and ang daming tao. So, better book your reservations.
Ano?
Let's eat, guys. Kain tayo. Carbonara.
Chili. Pizza.
Sinarapan nila ang hirap i-crave nito sa Pilipinas.
May truffle.
Yeah. Sashimi salad. Sarap. Diba? Perfect.
Tamis pa rin.
From Fala, guys. Fala. How to bag kasi? Fala.
Fala.
White.
Fala.
Vietnamese white coffee. Ito lang na may lagi in-order. Vietnamese white coffee. Let's try it.
Okay. Okay na rin. Okay. Nice.
Masarap to kaysa dun sa
Oh,
Footlong. Kanina.
Footlong?
Umaga. Babig.
jelly.
Ito lang. Walang masyadong lasa.